Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most celebrated names in the denim world, Levi's Vintage Clothing, better known as LVC. Now, if you're into raw denim, vintage fashion, or classic American heritage style, you already know that not all 501s are created equal. Regular Levi's are great daily drivers, but when you step into the world of LVC, you're paying for reproduction history, exact specs, premium fabric, and original construction methods from iconic eras. Today, we have a pair of LVC 501 XX in size W33 L32 right here on the bench. Over the next 10 minutes, we're going to inspect every single inch, from the leather patch to the Selvedge ticker, the inner pocket stamps, and even check for wear points like crotch distress. Is LVC really worth the premium price tag? Let's break it down. Let's start with the back of the jeans, the signpost of any classic Levi's. First up, look at this leather patch. Notice it says Lot 5 01XX with the classic 2-horse pull graphic, stamped in vibrant red ink with W33 L32 clearly marked. LVC uses high-quality leather/paper composite patches designed to age and patina over time, alongside the dark indigo fabric. Next, glance down at the red tab. Depending on the specific year LVC is reproducing, you'll see the capital E in Levi's, a hallmark of pre-1971 pairs. Also, pay attention to the arcuate stitching on the back pockets. Notice the single needle or double needle arch, the orange contrast thread, and how the fabric displays subtle slubbiness and texture right out of the gate. This deep indigo shade is already beginning to show slight micro-fading along the seams, which means this pair is ready to yield some incredible high-contrast fades. Now let's flip to the bottom leg opening, the detail denim collectors look for first, the Salvage ID. When you roll up the hem on these 501XX, you're greeted with that clean, crisp red-line Selvedge ticker. This edge is woven on traditional shuttle looms, preventing the fabric from fraying and giving it that sturdy, authentic edge that modern mass-produced denim just doesn't have. Take a look at the stitching on the hem as well. True vintage reproductions feature a chain-stitched hem. As this pair gets washed and worn, chain stitching creates a unique tension on the fabric, resulting in that coveted roping effect, a wavy fade pattern along the ankle that vintage enthusiasts adore. One of the coolest things about Levi's vintage clothing is the details hidden on the inside that only the owner gets to see. Opening up the waistband, check out this canvas pocket bag stamp. Printed right onto the heavy cotton canvas is the bold block lettering, Levi's Vintage Clothing. This isn't just a gimmick, it's LVC's stamp of authenticity. Inside, you'll also find internal care tags specifying the origin, fabric composition, and era details. LVC goes to great lengths to source denim from mills that replicate historical weight, weave, and dye processes, often recreating fabrics down to the exact yarn count. Now let's talk about durability and real-world wear. If you buy vintage or pre-owned denim, or if you wear your raw denim hard every single day, there are specific stress points you need to inspect. Let's look at the crotch seam. On 100% cotton denim with no stretch, the crotch takes the most friction during daily movement. On this pair right here, if we zoom in close, you can see slight thread strain and micro fraying near the center junction. This is completely normal for worn raw denim, but it's a key area to monitor. Catching light wear early allows you to reinforce it with sashiko stitching or a small darning repair before it turns into a full blowout. It shows this pair has been worn authentically, starting its journey toward full personalization. So, What's the final verdict on the Levi's Vintage Clothing 501XX? If you want standard jeans just to throw on without thinking, standard 501s will do the job. But if you appreciate history, craft, shuttle loom selvage denim, and jeans that tell a story through every fade, wrinkle, and stitch, LVC remains the gold standard of reproduction denim. What do you think of this pair? Are you a fan of LVC, or do you prefer Japanese Selvedge brands? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more denim and vintage reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep fading.